Thank you for choosing a Ludwig aerial rig to get you off the ground. Remember, aerial acrobatics of every kind is inherently dangerous. Ultimately, you are responsible for your own safety and the safety of those participating with you. Additionally, be extremely cautious when setting up and taking down the Ludwig aerial rig. For the best possible experience with your Ludwig aerial rig, please take plenty of time to read these instructions and make sure you understand the process of erecting the rig before attempting to set up. Step 1. Lay out the equipment and thoroughly inspect it. This is a leg segment for your Ludwig aerial rig. Doing a thorough inspection, make sure there's no movement at the top. This is your snap button, and you may also find a small divot where the set screw once was. With your snap button, reach inside and make sure it's positioned correctly. You want to make sure the button is all the way through its hole. Sometimes it can fall slightly off, but just stick your finger in there and make sure that it's straight and all the way through. On the other side of your leg segment, you'll find the hole where the snap button will come through, and you'll find your set screw. All the leg segments should have one set screw in this location. Bring out your set screw and make sure that it's clean. Treat any rust if you see any, and install your set screw, making sure not to over tighten it at this point, because that can get in the way when you go to set up your rig. This is a foot segment for the Ludwig aerial rig. You may find small divots in your foot segment that are from wherever a set screw was once screwed in. It's common also to find surface rust on your rig. Use 120 grit sandpaper to scratch as much of it off as you can, and then use a Rust-Oleum reformer. On the foot segments, you'll find the holes. This is where your PTO pins will go. And at the very bottom, you'll find the hole where you'll put tie-off cleats if you have them, your foot plate, and the steel loop where the straps will be connected. Inspect your foot plate on the top and the bottom. Surface rust is within normal limits. Step 2. Position the header bar and 4 leg segments. When setting up your large Ludwig aerial rig, you'll want to find a location that has at least 22 square feet space on the ground. You'll also want to make sure it has at least 22 feet of clear space overhead. Step 3. Insert first level of 4 leg segments into the header bar. Make sure all 4 snap buttons snap in and tighten all 4 set screws. To insert a leg segment, you'll first want to line up the snap button with the hole that it will snap through. Depress the snap button so that it will enter into the piece above it. Push the leg segment in until you see the snap button pop through that hole. Tighten all 4 set screws. Step 4. Attach the items you need to attach to the header bar now. Carabiners, swivels, apparatus, and/or pulley system. Follow the directions provided or ask for guidance from the providers of the equipment you plan to use. Please always ask for guidance if you're not sure how to attach your gear properly to the Ludwig aerial rig. For small Ludwig aerial rig owners, skip ahead to Step 7. Step 5. Insert second level of 4 leg segments into the first level of leg segments. Make sure all 4 snap buttons snap in and tighten all 4 set screws. For medium Ludwig aerial rig owners, skip ahead to Step 7. Step 6. Insert the third level of 4 leg segments into the second level of leg segments. Make sure all 4 snap buttons snap in and tighten all 4 set screws. Step 7. Insert 4 PTO pins into 4 feet segments. Position the PTO pins into the holes in the feet segments based on how much higher you want the Ludwig rig and whether or not you're working with uneven or level ground. The higher the ground, the lower the PTO pin should be. The lower the ground, the higher the PTO pin should be. You will know the positioning is right when all 4 feet segments are securely on the ground, all 4 leg segments are in line, and the header bar is perfectly horizontal. Step 8. Insert 4 feet segments into the leg segments that are touching the ground. Slide the foot segment into the leg segment until the leg segments make contact and rest on the PTO pins. Tighten all 4 set screws. Step 9. Look closely up all 4 Ludwig rig legs and check if they are in line. Change the position of the feet to correct any bowing or concaving. Travel around the rig multiple times, looking closely and from far away to make sure that the legs are in line. Step 10. Attach the snap clips and straps to the small steel loops on the insides of the feet segments. You will find the steel loop on the inner side of the Ludwig rig at the very bottom near the feet plates. Face the straps all in the same direction, with the length of the strap heading one direction and the buckle heading the other, all going either clockwise or counterclockwise. Step 11. Connect every strap to the next buckle until all 4 straps are connected to each other. The straps are meant to hold the rig feet from splaying outward. Make sure not to over-tighten the straps. Step 12. Your Ludwig aerial rig is now set up. Please make use of a quality safety mat 100% of the time. Always err on the side of safety and have a great time.